This is for the benefits, or for those that have what we call severe cough. If you're having severe cough, or you're having tuberculosis, okay, severe cough or tuberculosis, you get, you see this sugar cane. When you finish chewing your sugar cane, okay, the chaff, yes, the chaff, get the chaff. Then you get your aloe vera, clean, fresh aloe vera. Then I want you to bond this chaff, okay, burn it to ashes. Then you mix it with your aloe vera juice. This is a powerful secret, top secret. No matter how severe, no matter how strong, no matter how chronic that cough is, I beg you, it will clear. It's gonna clear. I will want you to give it a try. God bless you.